larger iPhone 13 Pro Max and bright battery. I'd rather say 22 today. I went for 3 days, actively used, listened to music, watched videos and installed programs. Do you play games, place orders and make popular websites there? Yandex was authorized once and all the other Yandex apps were pulled up and asked, "It's you, not you?" And I confirmed that the movie was usually just a super pooper. Fast speed of sound is so gorgeous that I'm stuck. Here are 14 about Max, so in this regard I'm hoping to not good. It's just that the fire tortured Rick for a long time to watch the sound of the movie. It all flew very well, the game loaded it there, and I tested it there. In this regard, everything is fine. There is a huge minus. This is the camera. Well, I have 2 mobile phones as a worker, so in principle I don't need a camera here. This is the only huge minus probably in this phone. Take pictures. How do I say that? Well, it's like I don't know what I took on the old soapbox. Well, I don't like the quality of the photos that is here. Yes, we're zooming in, but it's really, well, it's dark really bright, but still, compared to the iPhone, it's just bright. Change to 13 Pro Max, of course you won't change because of the camera. Now 2 phones with super communication. Good hearing and good internet capture, just an accident and the internet is not good. The SIM cards are working as defense, just like the iPhone and the communication. Samsung is also not good. In fact, this is at the level of the iPhone which captures communication. It works well, and the navigator can pinpoint everything here. Well, generally speaking, I'm satisfied. Like an elephant. Everything's fine. Is there anything that doesn't swing? Yes, the only one who logs in on a phone and makes it already a foreigner swarming there on Google doesn't have such an account, but such a program is pre-installed here. I just deleted the only game that was running on this phone. I don't need it, but everything else, well, is just the same as my iPhone, so I didn't download anything. Well, there's a download icon in front of it, right? That is to say, if I need to dip it, pump it, if I don't need it, I want it at all, I never need to remove it and clean it. There's a lot of stuff here, that's all I need. I deleted everything that my father did alone and everything was done himself against the background, which was very similar to the construction footprint. Between iPhones, it seems that in the spring, maybe the publisher used Android before, so I figured it out too. I don't know, maybe our subconscious mind in principle seems to me to be particularly different from the iPhone meter. Here you go. All in all, the fire is super. Well, the only downside of Ford is that it is not inferior to the